it can lead to a problem. So welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastek International. In this video we are discussing about a simple hacks to protect your warehouse. Your warehouse, of course, it's a hub of your productivity and home to your many valuable assets. But have you ever thought what happens if you don't take care of it? Like neglecting the maintenance, it can lead to a problem. So of course that no one wants that one. So when you don't take care of your warehouse roof, the consequence, of course, it can be very costly, like costly repairs and damaged goods and disruptions. Definitely it's a nightmare. But the good news is you can prevent these nightmares with some regular maintenance. Actually, it is a key, like cleaning the gutters and patching up the holes and inspecting your roof. So it can extend its lifespan. So by taking care of these simple steps, you can always ensure that your warehouse stays always dry and your business will run very smoothly. So don't wait for the leaks to appear. Protect your investment and your peace of mind. So do maintain your roof today itself and keep your warehouse always safe and sound. Okay, thank you.